Hey, good morning, guys. Scott, Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, it's Saturday morning. Well, hey, I thought I would show you something new. So here it is. It's January 3rd, and you can see my beautiful wife coming in the Chevy HD 2500. So what we're showing you today, this is one of our herds of cattle. And hey, what do you notice that's different? This guy is an overachiever. This is our first calf. He was actually born on December 31st, really early. I really wasn't supposed to start having calves in here until probably about the 18th of January. Now look at this little guy. He is healthy, strong, beautiful little calf. The weather's perfect. So this is a group of cattle. This is one of our older group of cattle. And there's our white marker. We've talked about her in previous videos. But this is the oldest herd we have at Heritage Farms. This is the mature ladies, the proven performers, the great moms. They've had multiple calves over the years. There's no dead weight in this pasture. If they don't carry the load, they're out of here. And it took a while to get to that point, but in today's market, that's what it is, you know. So these guys right here are all production machines. They've had calves, they've been great moms. We've had very little trouble out of them, and they're pretty good. So that's what we're doing. So we'll show you around today. Apologize for the glare, it's early in the morning, but just a nice looking group of ladies. See if I can walk through here without spooking them. So what we've done today is we took the New Holland and we fed them. We put some cubes out, not cubes, we put some commodity mix on the ground. You waste a little bit this way, but you know what? They come back, and for the most part, the ladies will get most of it. I would bet your waste is under 2% maybe on that. But you know, your other option is you have to get feed troughs, and then everybody fights over feed trough space, and I don't know, then you're constantly moving feed troughs. Nice thing about this, you move the cattle where you want them, pasture to pasture, spot to spot. The main thing we do is we'll feed them like this, and then it allows us to go back and open the gates, and then we can come out and put hay out. They're not trying to get out of the pasture. They're not chasing us. They're content. They're eating. So there's the new mama, 101. Look at that. She's like gonna tell her little calf, come with me. Get away from that weird man, stranger danger. I'm sure that's what she's saying, for lack of a better word. Anyway, there you go, guys. This is Telephone 2, is what we call this pasture. This is our new 40 acres that we bought over a year ago. And we're slowly getting this place cleaned up. Love it. Hey, more to follow. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, here we are, and it's a Sunday, and we're doing a follow-up here on the herd. I thought we'd do a little recap of 2020, the beginning, and what our cattle herd looks like. So this is Telephone 1, and this is what we call our middle-aged ladies. Yes, that's what we'll call these, middle-aged ladies, middle-aged cows. They've had calves, they are bred back, and all of this group is ready to go. So the cattle in here are anywhere from 3 to 5 years old. There might be, yeah, most of them are 3 to 5. And according to palpation test and everything, pregnancy check, everything should be pregnant. And we should start seeing some calves as early as late January, going into February, hopefully wrapping up in March. So we kept the breeding season pretty tight this year. So we're hoping that we'll be able to wrap this up pretty quickly. So anyway, it's a nice January day. It's gonna be like 70 degrees today, which, wow, you gotta love it. But hey, let me show you something that's just really making me mad. Hog damage, that's right. Look at it. Those little turds come out here and they dig holes in this, and it is just very, very, very frustrating. But anyway, just want to kind of give you a glimpse. This group right here is made up of, we have some commercial Angus cattle, and then we also have some registered Simmental Angus cattle in here. Probably about 50-50 in this group is what we're looking at. So, and we have our one white marker that we always keep in each herd. Family pet, long story. Anyway, there you go. Hey guys, if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. Leave us a comment. From here, we're gonna take you over and show you the replacement heifers. Okay, so this is our little group of replacement heifers. So we have like what, 13 in here. You notice we got our new, I don't know if you can see this or not, new ear tag system going here. So these are all 9s. So this is the year they were born. The upper left-hand corner is the mom. The upper right-hand corner is the dad. If it has a little dot on the tag, that is a registered one. So let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Counting with Scott. That high school education is paying off. All right, guys. So this is kind of our final little group. As we did a little review of the herd for 2020. These ladies are not pregnant, but come May, we will put them with the bull. So basically they have right at 5 months to do a little growing before they go courting. So I'm pretty happy with this group of heifers. Nice little replacement group. And we'll see. There is one cow in here, by the way, that was open. And we needed a place to stick her, and I didn't want to put her with all of the others that were getting ready to calf. So there you go. All right, guys. Well, anyway, hey, Heritage Farms, Texas, replacement heifers. They just got bangs vaccinated and wormed, and they are ready to go. So hopefully they'll get to it. Little worried they're not eating a lot of hay right now, but you know, there's so much little green grass running around. The temperatures are warm. They're out chasing the grass. So this is telephone 1 on the what we call the west side of the property. So anyway, there you go. There's Big Blue, man. Brought a bale of hay, but they're not getting it. Hey, thanks guys. Please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell. And we really appreciate the support. Thanks, guys.